Super sophisticated helicopters ever owned by the U.S. for enemy warfare missions. A few years ago, a secret U.S. helicopter appeared, usually referred to as the Stealthy Black Hawk or Silent Hawk, but this is not his real name. The helicopter was first observed in 2011 during raids in Pakistan, which brought down Osama bin Laden. At least 2 helicopters were used during the attack and carried U.S. Navy SEALs. During the operation, one of these helicopters broke down, became inoperable, and made a hard landing. After the operation, the SEALs detonated it with explosives. But the tail of the stealth helicopter survived. There is absolutely no official comment on this helicopter. The entire development program and every official detail regarding this stealth helicopter is kept secret. It is believed that these stealth helicopters have been used by elite special operations forces for years without public knowledge. And it seems that all their missions were successful, or at least all the secret helicopters made it back to their base. The helicopter's black paint job, as well as other design features, such as a reduced radar cross-section and low noise level, indicate that this Special Forces helicopter was meant to operate at night when it was difficult to locate it. These helicopters operate quickly and at very low altitudes to avoid radar detection. It seems that this stealth helicopter is only used on missions with the highest priority. Some say that the Ghost helicopter is a heavily modified version of the Black Hawk. But the tail debris is not similar to the MH-60 Black Hawk U.S. Special Forces are used to. It is very likely that this stealth helicopter has a completely different design. It is possible that this stealth helicopter evolved from the cancelled RA-66 Comanche. The Comanche is a stealth reconnaissance and light attack helicopter in development since the early 1990s. The aircraft has a stealth fuselage made mostly of composite materials and a number of other advanced features. Several working prototypes were built, which showed excellent performance. At that time, Comanche was a revolutionary step in stealth technology, but the program was canceled in 2004. The U.S. Department of Defense promised to use the technology for future projects, but the official program for stealth transport helicopters was never published. This top-secret helicopter features a special rotor design that significantly reduces noise levels. Tail rotor debris indicates that this helicopter used smaller propellers. Also, the tail rotor is protected by a disc. It seems like this helicopter noise easily blends into the background noise. The helicopter was so quiet that the enemy might not react until it was too late. Bin Laden's neighbors said they didn't hear the helicopter approaching until they were directly overhead. The general shape of what was left at the crash site suggests that the helicopter had sharp corners and a flat surface. It seemed like it was made of a special high-tech material similar to the one used in stealth aircraft. This covered helicopter was clearly designed to reduce the radar cross-section. Its shape and coating absorb and distort radar beams. It is likely that the propellers may also have some sort of radar absorbent or distortion feature. Pakistan's Defense Forces radar did not see this helicopter coming in. The helicopter is operated by a crew of 2 or 3, including 2 pilots and possibly a gunner. It can carry around 10 to 12 complete passengers. Such stealth transport helicopters allow commandos to sneak into their targets. Most likely this helicopter carried some kind of weaponry to support the troops deployed. Possibility of having equipment for a door-mounted machine gun. It may also be equipped with pods with non-operated rockets, as well as air-to-ground and air-to-air missiles, such as the AGM-114 Hellfire and AIM-92 Stinger. Rockets and missiles can be carried in special bays, or with pilot wings. It is possible that this Special Forces helicopter had an in-flight refueling probe. This feature is present on many American Special Forces helicopters, such as the MH-60. It is likely that some of the debris from the crash site ended up in China or Russia. It is known that these 2 countries are trying to make stealth aircraft. If you enjoy content like this, please go ahead and like and subscribe to this video. because I appreciate all your support.